Did you know that the foods you eat can significantly influence how you age? While we can't turn back the clock, many have seen remarkable improvements in their overall health and appearance by tweaking their diet. Imagine improving not just the look of your skin, but enhancing your whole body's vitality through the food you eat. What if the secret to maintaining your youth wasn't just found in expensive cosmetics or surgeries, but right in your kitchen? Today, we dive deep into the anti-aging diet, exploring the 4 main drivers of cellular aging, essential anti-aging dietary components, and how to integrate these foods into your daily routine. Join us as we explore how simple, everyday foods are not merely meals, but powerful tools that can enhance your longevity and vitality. Hi viewers, today's journey through nature's finest offerings is not only about nourishing our bodies but also about renewing them. We'll look at how every second, our bodies are undergoing aging. A process that starts deep within our cells. Cellular aging affects everything from individual cell function to overall health. It's driven by 4 main phenomena: telomere shortening, glycation, oxidative stress, and inflammation. Telomere shortening. Imagine the ends of your shoelaces fraying. That's what happens to chromosomes as we age. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, become progressively shorter with each cell division. When they're too short, they can no longer protect the chromosome, leading to aging cells that function less effectively. This decline in cell function accelerates aging and increases susceptibility to diseases. Glycation. Think of glycation as sugars from your diet bonding with proteins in your cells, prematurely aging them. This cellular chemical process creates harmful molecules known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs for short. These AGEs accumulate and disrupt cellular structure and function, reducing skin elasticity, diminishing youthful vitality, and contributing to diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. The impact is especially severe in cases of elevated blood sugar levels, which accelerate the formation of AGEs. Oxidative stress. Imagine rust gradually forming on metal. Similarly, oxidative stress acts like rust accumulating inside your body. It occurs when there's an excess of reactive oxygen species, ROS, which are unstable molecules produced during normal cell metabolism. Normally, your body can handle ROS with its natural antioxidants, molecules that neutralize these unstable molecules. However, if ROS levels become too high and overwhelm these antioxidant defenses, they start to damage DNA, proteins, and fats essential for healthy cell function. This damage impairs cell function and accelerates aging, increasing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Inflammation. Consider inflammation as a low-grade fire within your body, which, over time, can cause significant damage. While inflammation is a critical defense mechanism against harm, persistent low-level inflammation can accelerate cellular aging and damage organs. Chronic inflammation is linked not just to acute conditions like infections or injuries but also to lifestyle choices, environmental factors, and dietary habits, enhancing the risk of age-related diseases. Now that we've uncovered the cellular processes behind aging, let's explore the top 10 dietary components essential for combating these processes. You might be wondering why we're focusing on these particular dietary components. Each component has been meticulously selected based on scientific evidence that demonstrates its power to directly address aging at its very root, the cell. These components not only help slow down the aging process, but also enhance overall cellular health, which is crucial for maintaining youthfulness and vitality. Ready to transform your diet and rejuvenate your cells? Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Benefit. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation and help slow down the shortening of telomeres, which are key in cellular aging. Primary sources: fish and seafood, salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Plant-based sources: flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Number 2. Antioxidants. Benefit. Antioxidants protect cells from oxidative stress and support the integrity of telomeres. Primary sources: fruits, berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, pomegranates, and grapes. vegetables, leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, nuts and seeds, walnuts and pecans. If you enjoy snacking, dark chocolate is also a great option for getting antioxidants. Number 3. Vitamin C. Benefit. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from premature aging. Primary sources: citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. Number 4. Vitamin E. Benefit. Vitamin E is essential for protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage. Primary sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. Number 5. Polyphenols. Benefit. Polyphenols protect our cells from premature aging by neutralizing harmful free radicals and enhancing DNA repair. Crucial for combating oxidative stress. Primary sources: green tea, apples, and onions. Number 6. Fiber. Benefit. Fiber supports digestive health and reduces inflammation. Primary sources: whole grains, legumes, and oats. Number 7. Sulfur compounds. Benefit. Sulfur compounds enhance antioxidant defenses, reduce inflammation, and detoxify harmful substances. Primary sources: garlic, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Number 8. Curcumin. Benefit. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory effects and aids in reducing oxidative stress. Primary sources: turmeric, curry powder. While curry powder blends vary, most contain a significant proportion of turmeric, contributing to their curcumin content. Number 9. Selenium. Benefit. Selenium is an essential trace mineral. It is vital for DNA synthesis and protecting against oxidative damage. Primary sources: Brazil nuts, seafood, meat, eggs, and dairy products. Reminder: while selenium is essential for health, it can be toxic in high doses. Aim to get it from food, and consult a doctor if you are considering supplements. Number 10. Lycopene. Benefit. Lycopene helps reduce oxidative stress. Primary sources: abundant in tomatoes, pink grapefruit, and watermelon. Excited to harness the anti-aging powers of these top 10 dietary components? Let's make it simple. Adopting an anti-aging diet might seem like a tall order, but it's much easier than you might expect. Let's dive into a straightforward plan to seamlessly integrate these powerhouse nutrients into your daily meals. Here are 5 steps. Step 1. Start your day right. Begin your day with a breakfast rich in antioxidants. Try a smoothie bowl topped with berries and seeds, or a warm oatmeal with nuts and chopped fruits. These foods kickstart your day by boosting your antioxidant intake and setting a healthy tone. Step 2. Snack on anti-aging powerhouses. For snacks, opt for raw nuts, Greek yogurt, or slices of apples and pears. These snacks are not only filling but also packed with polyphenols and fiber, helping you fight oxidative stress throughout the day. Step 3. Incorporate healthy fats at lunch. Make sure your lunch includes a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. A salad topped with avocado and salmon or a flaxseed oil dressing can significantly enhance your intake of fats that help reduce inflammation and support cellular health. Step 4. Focus on whole foods for dinner. For dinner, prioritize whole foods like colorful vegetables, whole grains like quinoa or barley, and lean proteins such as chicken or tofu to combat glycation and promote healthy aging. Step 5. Hydration and herbal teas. Stay hydrated throughout the day, and consider swapping out your late-night coffee with green or herbal tea. These teas contain polyphenols that help protect your cells from damage while you relax in the evening. With these straightforward steps, integrating an anti-aging diet into your daily routine not only becomes manageable but also enjoyable. Remember, the key to aging successfully lies not just in avoiding certain foods, but in embracing the nourishing ones. Start with small, consistent changes, and experience your body rewarding you with increased vitality and health. We all have those days when time is scarce and preparing a full meal feels nearly impossible. If you find yourself in this boat, here's a heartfelt tip. High-quality supplements can be a practical alternative. But remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen to ensure it complements your dietary needs and health conditions. That's all for today's guide on anti-aging dietary components. I hope you're as inspired as I am to make these beneficial changes to our diets. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes about more topics of health. Let's age gracefully together.